Hi there, here are some beautiful scarf hairstyles. So tie a knot of scarf, pull it down, now roll the hair and make a hair bun. Now tie a simple knot and a bow knot and you are done. In the next one, simply make a hair bun, secure it with the pin. Now wrap the scarf around the bun and secure it with the rubber band. In the next one, make a ponytail and pass the scarf through the pony and roll its one edge round the hair like this and tie a simple knot and your beautiful and simple hairstyle is ready. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one, make a hair loop like this. Now take your scarf and put it on your head like a hairband. Pass its edges through the loop to the opposite sides. Secure the hair ends with the rubber band, twist and place around the hair bun like this. Now tie a knot and your hairstyle is ready. In the next one, make a half ponytail and pass a scarf through it and make a scarf braid like this and tie a knot to secure it and you are done. I hope you are going to like these scarf hairstyles. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.